Welcome to Steven. In this tutorial, I want to show you how I can actually make payments to your Facebook ads. Okay, I actually want to run ads on this my Facebook ads blueprint. In this ads, I'm going to show you straight away, just like ABC, I can run a converting ads. So for me to run this ads, I need to make a payment. How do I go about making a payment? Well, I'll just come over here to all tools. Right there, if you enter your Meta Business Suite, in order to go into a Meta Business Suite is very simple. First of all, log on to your Facebook account. After that, then you now go back, open another window, and then type business.facebook.com, and that will bring you to your Meta Business Suite. Okay, right there in your page, or if you don't know how to do this, you can also go straight from your page. But in case you don't know how to do, instead of you to go straight to your page, kindly take a look at my training. I have a Facebook training where I explain this thing in detail. In fact, this is the training I'm talking about. If you ask for me, I'll send it to you. It's very cheap, just at 1,000 naira. You get this course that will show you how you can actually create a professional page, create your Meta Business Suite, and then run an effective ads on your Facebook. So having said that, right now on your Meta Business Suite, or if you take it to your page, and then your page, you check your left hand side, you see this menu bar. Look at the menu bar, you see account overview, counseling, ad reporting, so many other things. But what we are going on is all tools. Okay, click on all tools, can take you to billing and payment. Or if you look very well, you see that there's billing and payment up here already before event manager. So you click on billing and payment. So let it open. When you click on billing and payment, wait for it to open. It's delaying a little, but I know it will soon open. Let's be patient. Okay, so now it has opened. If you check, I have little fund on it already. What means a new one. If you don't have any fund at all, then you have to set it up. Okay, set up by taking it to your. You look for the country, Nigeria. Put your West African time, Lagos, and from there you move on to pay to the next level, and then you also bring it to this page. So while in this page, you just click on Add Funds. Okay. So I'll come over here and click on add funds. I will show you I can actually pay using your PayU. Yeah. So it has opened. Note one thing, as a Nigerian, you don't want to go and use debit or credit card, okay? Don't use it unless you have a debit and credit card that you are using credit card. Maybe you have other foreign account like Wave account or other account that are foreign. Because if you use debit and credit card and you want to use Nigerian card, it won't go. If you are using Nigerian ATM or you are paying from Nigerian banks or any of those things, go to the next one that say pay by USSD. Then if you click on it, you see where it will take you to. In fact, just take a look at everything. If you see Naira payment with MasterCard or Visa card, go there directly. If you didn't do that, then if you didn't see this, they can start with pay by USSD. So you also bring you either you come over to this place and click here, but this is the ultimate, okay? And if you also want to pay through transfer, email after that, you go down, you see pay by bank transfer. I actually want to pay through bank transfer, okay? So I've put it there. If I want to pay, that means these two are not here. I will click this, which is pay by USD. Click next until I get to this Naira payment with Master through Visa card. So once I get there, if I didn't see pay by bank transfer, I'll still click next till I get to pay by bank transfer. But if all of them is here, then it's very good. I know it will open like this for you. So you just go straight and select the one you want to use. I want to use pay by transfer, so I click pay, open pay by bank transfer, continue adding your fund. Close this. This is where we are, and give me transaction of this. I click on add fund. Okay, so the moment you click on add fund, this is where it will bring you first. Okay, maybe I mistakenly click it twice. So you clear this amount first and then type in the amount you want to pay, maybe 2,000, maybe 3,000 or 20 or any amount. Okay, but me I'm paying 27, so I don't write 27,000. So the amount you want to pay is the amount you enter here first. That is the first thing you should do. After entering the amount, before you now come over and choose the pay by bank transfer or pay Naira payment with MasterCard and Visa card, that's what we are using. And let me tell you one thing, any Visa card, any MasterCard can go with this. If you choose if you choose this one now, any of them can go. Okay. If you use pay by USSD, it will still give you a little problem, but you still go. But the best thing is Naira payment with MasterCard and Visa card. Okay. If you don't have that, you see something like Pay You, click on Pay You to bring you to this place. Okay. Depending on whatever you see, I'm explaining everything for you so that anyone you see on your Facebook, you know that this is where I'm going. Okay. So after that, I want to use transfer. So I do now pay by transfer. I've written the amount. I'm not click next. So now can I go to that place that we are going originally? And always make sure that you change the amount you want to pay. Otherwise, you end up paying more than what is necessary. So open pay by bank transfer. Yes. So once you open, I'll go straight away and then input this amount, and that is just it. And for so please enter your mobile phone number. So put my mobile phone number. Because so you put the mobile phone number and you play, you continue. Okay, so that's what you do. So let me do that and continue while we see at the other end. Okay, so it's going, it's still loading. It's a pay with bank transfer for Facebook ad of this. Use the virtual account number. This. So you see, they give me a pegger. So from this pegger, I just pay everything here, and that is you'll use this account number, do your transfer, and everything will go. Okay. So let me do it. Watch as I do it. Is that everything will go straight away. So I've input everything. So when I went to my OP, I saw it clean and clear Facebook, pegger Facebook, and I've made the payment. So I wait for some time for them to find out to me that the payment has been successful. And once it's successful, then you can now continue to go ahead and run your ads. Okay. So this is exactly how you can actually pay to Facebook for ads using Naira in Nigeria or any other country. Okay. It doesn't mean whether in Nigeria or from anywhere, it applies. If you're in another country, you don't need to start looking for PayU and the rest of them. All you do is just go straight to your credit card, use your credit card, and pay direct to Facebook. Okay. And if you also have if you're in Nigeria, you have other accounts like foreign accounts, maybe like Payoneer, or so many of them, many accounts you can think of that is foreign, okay, or that has a kind of foreign outlook. So you just use it. If you have a credit card with them, use it and pay directly. Facebook will accept it. Okay. So see you in our next class where we are still on Facebook. Thank you. Bye.